Hey everybody, welcome back to Diva Styles. In this video I'm going to be doing pin style number 1. I'm going to leave the link to these in the description box. So this style is pretty much just straightforward. All we're going to be doing is picking out some beads to thread onto our pin, and these are plastic. You can get the ones that are metal. But I mean, for something I'm just testing out and trying out for the first time, I didn't think it was bad. So I'm going to go ahead and get my beads together that I want to use. And I'm also going to add a charm. You guys got to excuse my kids in the background. I'm also going to get my charms together, and then I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, so I got my beads picked out. Got my charm. You guys, I had a little Mickey Mouse key. So let's go ahead and get started. And like I said, this is pretty much easy. Now if you want to, for extra security, you could, dang, I can't even unscrew this. I unscrewed this in here so good. You could add some E6000 like on the end of it, and then like screw it into the bottom just for extra security. More on that. Yeah. Oh. There we go. My daughter is the cameraman right now, so. Alright. And then for the charm, one thing I'm going to do is just use the jump ring for right now until I get, you know, the little charms in the mail, and just screw it on there. But yeah, you guys, look at that. That's pretty much it. That was so simple, so easy. Go get yours so I can show them yours. But yeah, look at that. And then this is one that my daughter made. Hers is really cute. I got pin marks everywhere. Oh my gosh, my pen is open. I didn't even know that. She's got charms on hers. Look at that. Super cute. She did a really good job. So yeah, you guys, this was really simple. I've got 2 other ways that I'm going to be doing the pins. I will be uploading those videos soon. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to ask. Alright, you guys, so for style 2, I'm going to be using my E6000. I have some paper beads here that I put together some time ago. I've also got some some regular spacer beads. I'm trying to get the camera to focus, along with some smaller beads. I am also going to be using what are those, eye pins, along with some bead caps. So I'll be right back. Alright, you guys, so I've opened up my E6000, and this is just like my little my little thing that I'll be placing all my glue on. So I've got that there. I'm gonna go ahead and first just take a bead and I guess just slide it on. And I'll probably add a little bit of glue to where I want it to stop at. But I'm so scared. I don't want to. Y'all, I poked like a small hole in this. Maybe I need to do it bigger. Hold on. Nope, it just took a while to come out. Okay, so alright. Then I'm just gonna push this down, clean it up a little bit while sliding the E6000 on it as well. Put some glue here for the next bead. And I'm going to add my spacer. Some more glue. Ooh, this stuff is coming out, y'all. Goodness, I feel like I got to work fast. Then this excess I'm probably going to wipe off. Goodness. I'm just going to keep doing this for the whole thing, while at the same time wiping off like any excess glue. Because y'all, look at that. It is like, it's like dripping. Yeah, see, any extra, I'm just going to take it off. We are almost at the end. Okay, so I am ready to end it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put a little bit of glue right here. And then I'm going to use a wood bead because that's pretty much the only thing I've got. And so this is going to be the end here. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take one of these eye pins and I'm going to use some round nose pliers. And I'm just going to make a little loop. Or maybe I should have. I guess it don't matter. It don't matter. Okay, I'm going to cut it down to where it's not so, I guess, so long. Also going to cut this little piece off as well. Okay, so now that that's cut off, I'm also going to, which one of these am I going to use? Because they got different sizes. Should I use the smallest one up in here? I got these from freaking Walmart. Is there any way I can flatten these? Like, why is they humped up? Okay. Anywho, that ain't. Nope, that ain't gonna. Oh no, baby, that ain't gonna work. So I'm gonna have to get one of these gold ones. Ah, oh, Jesus, extra work. One of these gold ones, and probably color it silver, y'all. Like, hold on. Alright, let's apply some glue up at the top where we need to put this bead cap at. I think that's enough. I don't know. Okay. Yeah, that actually fits on there pretty good. And I started painting it silver. And now what I'm going to do is also put a little bit of glue around this eye pin right here. And then stick this down in there. Just like that, so that now we can add our charms on that. Alright, you guys. And now I have my little... Y'all got ink all on my hands. Goodness. Now remember, none of this is dried, so... But, yeah. Something like that. And that's pretty much it. Now I might add another jump ring onto that charm at the top. Yeah, I think, yeah, I'm gonna add another jump ring just so it can hang down a little bit better. Y'all, I'm getting ink all on it. But I just wanted to show you guys this idea. This is the second option you could do for the you know, the beaded pen. This is just the idea. Take it, get creative, create your own. These would be great gifts, you know. Matter of fact, yeah, I'm about to fix mine up. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to ask, and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye.